This spring, billions of cicadas are emerging across 15 U.S. states, and that inspired one photographer from Arlington, Virginia, to view them under a more creative light. Oksana Ware invited the cicadas to come inspect the tiny worlds she created and snapped these photos that are kind of adorable for a bunch of cicadas. Ware makes some of the props by hand and uses miniature and regular-sized toys to complete the magical worlds. The photos have become a fan favorite on Instagram because really, who doesn't like to see cicadas having a good time?